Goodbye. I will not miss you. Stupid traffic. We're getting off. We're not used to seeing anything other than flatness, so this is literally amazing to us. We've just been literally just admiring the scenery, but we're so used to just seeing flat roads, and that's all. That's it. So like, this is insane. This is all so new to us. It's kind of crazy. You're driving me crazy. I just completely busted my ass in front of all these people. You're driving me crazy. Oh. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. The way your body syncopates. You're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing. I just dropped my phone. I'm a idiot. I can't believe I just dropped my phone. What do I do? We're gonna have to go up the next stop and... Dude, are you serious? Go put your shit away. I'm so... How are we gonna get up here? Stupid. I have to walk up here. It's right. It's like right behind, right next to that one. So I know where it is. But damn, dude. Yeah, I'm an idiot. All right. I can track your phone too. What? I know where it is. So I was trying to put my phone away so I could get a time lapse of us going down, because that's an insane view. You just always want to put it there. I put it right here. I put it right in between myself and my backpack, and it slid right through the bottom of the seat. What? I was in the middle of texting Summer back. She's gonna be so confused. So as you guys know, I dropped my phone last night off of the sky lift, the ski lift. They wouldn't look for it because they were closed, but it was honestly their fault. They wouldn't look for it because they let us stay up there past close, and we didn't even ask. We didn't know it was closing time. And they're like, all right guys, we're closed. We let you stay a little longer. So we should, we're gonna go and see if they have it ready. They were pretty mean about it. They're like, well, we're not happy that you dropped your phone and stuff. And it's like, oh yeah, I meant to do that. They're being dicks. We're here to get my phone. I'm here to pick up a cell phone. Thank you so much.
I don't know if it's in good shape or not, but...
Yeah, no, it's fine, yeah. Found it.
Yeah.